This country has many health issues, and one of them is chronic disease. Heart disease, cancer, obesity, and diabetes. All of these are causing major problems in many people in this country. And the really cool thing is that we can prevent all of those by adopting a plant-based diet.
Our minds need to shift. It's a new time or the new world that we're building. Things are changing. The planet is changing. Our healthcare system is changing. We also need to change our minds about the way we look at food and what we need from it.
The outdated idea is that vegetables are a side dish that go, in smaller quantity in a dish, in a plate, where the main protagonist is the meat.
The new program in today's Mind Upgrade is that a plant-based diet has everything the body needs for optimal health.
If we look at our anatomical structure, our bodies were actually made to consume a plant-based diet.
Human intestines are really, really, really long. Like herbivores are made to eat plants. Carnivores have really short intestines. We're not made like that. And the short intestines are so that the meat can pass through quickly without causing bacteria, which then will cause disease.
We're very fortunate to live in these times because now we have the proof or the science that shows us that the plant-based diet is actually what the body thrives on. For example, we have someone like Dr. Caldwell Esselstyn, who wrote a book about preventing and reversing heart disease through a plant-based diet. There's Dr. T. Colin Campbell, who wrote the book The China Study, and he conducted the biggest, what the New York Times called the Grand Prix of all nutritional studies, and he concluded that animal-based protein was a factor that either activated or deactivated cancer in our bodies.
We have to ask ourselves, not just, oh, I'm craving this, I'm gonna eat this. No, what am I eating? What's in front of me? How did it get there? What are its components? How does it interact with my body, with my cells? Is it the best for me? Does it promote health?
One of the things that I hear a lot as a blockage is, well, I'm predisposed genetically to have heart disease or to have breast cancer or any other type of cancer or even obesity. Well, while there is a genetic factor to these things, there is now a science called epigenetics. And epigenetics talks about the fact that you may have a gene for something, but that gene will not be expressed unless a factor such as nutrition, pollution, your thoughts, stress, or exercise either turn on or turn off that gene.
Our genes tell our cells what to do. But what controls our genes? One of the leading research labs in the country has discovered that antioxidants control our genes. And where can we get a variety and most of our antioxidant intake? The plant kingdom.
We can affect our health with every single nutritional choice that we make.
The plant kingdom delivers everything that the human body needs in order to thrive and have optimal health. Complex carbohydrates, great fats like omega-3s for our brain.
Glowing skin, you get all the antioxidants you need for anti-aging. Your blood gets what it needs to be cleansed.
Phytonutrients, they come together and they provide this balance, hormonal balance, neurological balance.
Digestion is improved because we're able to ingest and absorb and excrete in a much more efficient manner.
Minerals actually can control our moods. Sometimes people think, oh, I'm depressed. You're not depressed sometimes, you're malnourished.
One thing that we sometimes forget to think about is how much our body needs water. And while we can drink a lot of glasses of water during the day, we can also get water from our food. A plant-based diet offers that.
And it's not just water. It's highly mineralized water, alkaline water, that your cells actually identify right away and they're like, ooh, the best of. We need to have that X-ray vision again and see beyond what's in front of us. Just because we've been taught for years and years that we need to eat a meat with our meals in order to get nourished, that's such an outdated idea.
If we're really talking about changing this country and lowering the disease rate and taking control of our lives, adopting a plant-based diet is a huge step for us. Heart disease, gone. Cancer, gone. Obesity and diabetes, gone. So, what are we waiting for?
This changes everything.
Love Silvie+Maryl TV? Spread the health. Tell your friends to sign up at silviamaryl.com.